space, CVAM-65, otherwise known as the USS Enterprise. The aircraft, Grumman F-14, or Tomcat. The aviators, 2 naval officers recently graduated from the Top Gun Fighter Weapons School. Their mission, to protect the Atlantic Fleet from airborne attack. These men and machines are America's finest. Together they are known as MiG killers of the U.S. Navy. Since the dawning of the jet age, Soviet-built MiG fighters have always seemed to be naval aviation's most mighty nemesis. This MiG-23 Flogger is flown not only by the USSR, but also Libya, Syria, Iraq, and East Germany. When piloted by capable hands, Flogger dogfighting capability should never be underestimated. This time, the F-14 was victorious. A hard-earned tradition has been set by the Navy for their excellence in air-to-air combat. This honor should never be taken for granted. For decades of jet-powered naval aviation experience have paid the price for U.S. Navy air superiority in the skies above the free world.